Hello everyone, so today we're making this beautiful air dry clay dinosaur that my turtle absolutely loves. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to begin by grabbing our air dry clay. I'm using, like always, Crayolas. And we're going to create two circles. The first one is going to be slightly bigger than the second one. And this is going to be the bottom portion of the dinosaur. So the bigger circle is going to become the body, and the slightly small one is going to be the tail. So I'm just going to attach them together and make it look like an ice cream cone. No worries, little by little it'll start looking like a dinosaur. And here's a third circle. It's going to be the same size as the first circle, and I'm just going to attach it onto the body using a wooden stick. So there it is, and once they're pieced together, I'm going to make the face a little bit more looking like a dinosaur. And with this clay tool, I'm just going to make sure that all pieces are attached. So now we're going to grab a bit of water, and with a brush, I'm just going to smooth everything out. Now here I'm using a chalk paint brush. I wouldn't recommend this because it leaves a texture on the clay. And now with this clay knife, I'm just going to make the mouth of a dinosaur. So I'm just going to slightly cut it open. Now using these two cutters, I'm going to make the legs. So they're going to be two circles and two rectangles. Now when you attach the legs, it's really important that they are kind of leveled to the end of the tail, just so that when it stands up, you try to keep it balanced. I mean, it's going to end up tilting a bit forward because the head and the front part of the dinosaur, it's heavier than the back side. So try your best to keep it balanced. And now I'm making the arms. They're just going to be two rectangles, and I'm going to attach them, and it's going to look like a little T-Rex. And to make the spines for the dinosaur, we're going to cut out some squares. And with the clay knife that I used to cut out the mouth, I'm going to just cut out triangles from those squares to attach them onto the back side of the dinosaur. And then I went ahead and added the eyes on the dinosaur, so just two little tiny circles on both sides of the head. This is optional, but you can attach a heart like if he is holding it to give it away. And this is the final product. Hope you like it. If you decide to make it, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. Let me know what you want to see next week. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!